That's why if you now see some people say maybe their husband die, they come dey confess. Not be real confess. So this social media, it don't make people know many things. Not be real confess. You get wetin they put for ground. The person go mash am. He go begin dey confess wish wey e not sure. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just think a post for YouTube, or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. Our today's topic, the cry of a widow. You know, this is our topic. We already do part 1 before, so if you never watch part 1, go to your comment section. You will see the link of part 1. Watch part 1, then you'll see the link of this part 2 for part 1. Then watch the part 2, then you will understand. Then before you leave your comments down there. This story na true life story. Now wetin they happen to one of our sister right now. This our sister dey America, and now she bring this story come out say make I talk and come out, because now the pikin go so complete 18 years. E dey 16 years now, and that 18 years not be small battle. They don dey battle from now till that 18 years. The thing e don reach out for here. Now he cry come and say he need prayers, he need everything. Anyway, before we'll start to dey shook our mouth for this matter, make I tell you now the story so far of part 2. This wishman come say there's nothing he go fit do. He don't do sacrifice. He don't appease the wish people when they the man family. They say they're not going to leave the man alone, say somebody must go. And this person, when he go, he have to come from that family. The wishman that they talk, so he said for his own opinion, make the woman, make she kukuma pay the sacrifice. He said because the man, now they work. Now the man get better work. Now the man go school well. Now the man they take care of the family. That if the man die, they no still go take care of them. But if the woman die, the man go fit take care of the two children when they get. So make the woman sacrifice his life. That woman say enough he sacrifice his life. Oh, then because okay, if the woman no want sacrifice his life, make they sacrifice their son. Then the woman say and the man say they not free sacrifice their son. So when they come the black say that they talk the matter. Now there the husband come to say now he dey sick. Who dey sick now go die. Another person not fit die for person sickness or can't transfer the sickness to another person. This life something there for this life. That's why if person dey sick, you don't know the cause of that sickness. May you say they prayerful. May you say they prayerful. May not be say they can't use the person head take carry wetin no. The man a good man. If na some man, he go follow the woman back, go meet that wishman, say abeg take my wife. Yes, I'll take care of the children, I'll marry another wife. But the man say no. Make the man not just go home, may no worry. Now he dey sick, now he go die put for the sickness. So he no want me wife go for her or he pikin. That the man can say if na so you talk am, so be it. And so the wishman can't take comot. The man can't cut off comot for a family, because this woman, I know I tell you say she dey pray. She can't say they go churches, they pray. They can't say make he not let the family they know anything about her. May he call them off. So he can't tell the man, so yeah, cut the off. He can't really cut the off. The man can't dey where they come. As the man don't dey where they come, the next thing, he just carry phone, he just go call that his senior sister again. He be not well. Una no even the ask of person. This and the next come say, now we say when you call them off, why you can still go they call them now? Immediately he drop phone when he say call his sister finish. The thing can't start again. The sickness will be done the better. It can't increase again. Now so it can't increase. Now so this woman they run up and down with the newborn baby and all, you know. The man can't they see him. The woman come dey see am, the woman go pray. If he pray, the kind of revelation wey dey see mean say the man must go. He say sometimes if he don pray, pray finish, he go come see say somebody come. He go say I come greet you for dream. I come greet you. You say welcome. He go say I no see gift buy for you. The only gift wey I see na this black attire. Say he go throw the black attire, say oh God forbid bad thing. But he want use black attire too. He no like black attire. He no dey carry. He go throw me for grant. He go wake up, go say this black time now die, may your husband not die. He come pray. He say sometimes some prayer warriors they follow and they pray. If they don't pray together like this, the revelation wey still dey see na still death. He say one day na voice tell am for dream say make he not. He say even though say he pray, he already assign and say this man must go. He say his time don reach, say he must go, and the glory be to God be say this man will go as a Christian man that is taking him, that he has born again, he has known Jesus Christ. He will not leave him, must take him, because if you don't take him, he will go back again. He said, so the voice tell him. He come dey cry, dey beg, not now, make children grow, may he still enjoy marriage. He said, na lie. The voice don't talk. The voice not come back again. Come say he don't change mind. Now that voice. Finally, the man come die. When this man come die, now there they come say make this woman come chop amala with correct pepper soup. The family come. They come dey talk say na she kill the man, na she do this one. Then she say how she go kill the love of her life. This man, he love her so much. Even when this woman they send me this message, man wey don die 10 years ago, this woman still dey cry as if say na yesterday na this man die. Since one person they even they tell me story of husbands, I never touch like this woman home, because this woman if they cry like say na yesterday. I say but na 10 years ago. He said that 10 years ago still fresh for her mind, because ever since that time come reach now, she don't know another man. No, she just still keep herself, because he loved this man so much. Ever since that time, if they refresh and the man they communicate as if say they still dey alive. If they see for dream every time they talk to them. Well, I they talk self. I say to read too long. Okay. Now the family say make come say amala with pepper soup. Then they say they not go do a Christianity way. Say that Christian way say it be. Say that one they you say that their Muslim way. They want to bury this man. He said before you know it they happen, because see now as the man die, friends come greet her in this house. Now the family go do, men I go do all the things. They say they all do everything as Muslim way. They say like they not go greet that Christianity way. Say because he was born and the family they be Muslim. And so they say do everything like Muslim way. He not get mad to talk. The next thing they say me come stay the senior brother house, and senior brother will be say they never like this woman. What you go do? Because say me respect your husband, but before your husband die, your husband say may be careful for a family. He say may be careful for a family. You understand? He can't go say the senior brother house. So the company went, because this man and man will get money where the man they work for oil company, you know. Now big man, one of the biggest man for oil company. You understand me now? So the companies when be say the way the company people when they work with now, so they come with bag of rice, bag of beans, yam, gbogbo. As they shipping all these things, they come they give the woman and the children, because they can't say they must not stay their house, they must stay the senior brother. They say that's what they do. Now so the senior man, the senior brother and the wife, now so they pack everything, they go they put for storeroom. They not even they cook for this woman and the children. They know they cook for them. This woman go they hungry. They say what do you want eat? Person when your husband die they eat. Hey, and this woman, you know the way she take grow up. When I talk for part 1, she grow up. She can't be like person when get a stomach ulcer, because of the way they take treat her. When she they grow, they come. Don't they quick give her food? If you not go say come, they not go give her food. So it can't make her develop stomach ulcer. They not really give this woman food. This woman can't begin they sick. They want make this woman die. She can't they frustrated. They lock this woman for one room for good 7 months. They not let this woman come out. They say she must mourn the man. But I don't know how many months they say they mourn for Muslim. I forget to answer that one. I don't know. But it's in 7 months. Now it stay for inside that room with the children. all the food they can't put for up, they know the Greek cook. The day when they manage bring food for now, they bring small food when no go reach small pikin. It's the same person when your husband die, not they eat. They can't go put something for grant for outside for am. In case if they waka dey come, if you mash am, you can't be like say she dey craze, she go come dey confess wetin she no know. That's why if you now see some people say maybe their husband die, they come dey confess. Not be real confess. So this social media, it don't make people know many things. Not be real confess. You get wetin they put for grant. The person go mash am. He go begin dey confess wish wey not sure. They come put something for grant for am. And when she take dey that room, every time the man, the husband, they appear come. The small pikin dey 6 years that time. This brother wey dey 16 years now, he dey 6 years that time. He dey see papa. He go dey tell him mama say papa dey here. He dey see papa, but this woman no dey see anything. He go say papa say make you read so verse for Bible, take console yourself. He say if you open now, he go say now where they console person. Sometimes he go say make you read Psalm so place. He go read now where they for the console person. Small pikin 6 years, he go dey talk. Sometimes he go say bye bye. He say papa dey wave hand, he don't go. He don't say bye bye. If you see come, he go say he don't come. For inside that room when they dey for there, papa they appear, they come. You see, papa tell am say me no worry. Say all this stuff I go soon end. Everything go soon end. He no say na so they go do am. He dey with am. He say oh. He say one day, na pikin come dey tell am say, mama, papa say make you no waka come outside though. Say they don't put something for ground for you. Say because if you come outside, you go mash that thing. You dey confess wetin you no know. 6 years old pikin, na dey talk this matter. Say come say, he want peace. How you want to come outside take go peace? He say he come say make no peace, so make you find rubber, make them bring rubber for him, make you take peace. He say come the peace for inside rubber. He no bring come out. Because that you see that moment make it not come out at all. It not come out. And so the man they appear. The man self, he can't they worry the family. He can't they worry them. When they come say they worry them, they can't go change this man spiritually. This woman say when he dream, he say the man they walk up and down with chain for his hand and his leg. They go change this man. How they even take bury this man self? This woman don't know whether they chain her before they bury her. Because normally bad people, if they don't do what they do, they don't go chain the person before they bury her, so that his spirit not go feel react. He said they chain this husband. He said but despite say they chain her, he not fit fight them, but it always they come, they tell them, they not chain him out. You see, they use the man sitting, they talk. What did they happen? What did they go do? But he can't they use am through that the small boy of 6 years. He said this small boy talk today. You go the fair who talk. How this boy take they talk? How he take know all these things? He said so now so he can't there for months. Then one day they can't send one woman for the oil company where the husband for the work. They can't say make he can't tell the woman say they don't calculate everything. No. The money when they want pay this woman, may they let her know. As the woman just they come like this, me I don't even understand self. They send some person message for company. If you want to deliver the message, you're supposed to deliver now to the owner of the message. You can't go deliver the message to the senior brother wife when they did the house. You can't tell this the woman you enter the company, you see the senior brother wife. Whether that one can't pretend say na him be the man wife or no, na God can't know. She says she don't know. Say but he can't deliver message to the senior brother wife say, this man when he die so the entitlement, I don't know how they call am for Igbo, entitlement him money when they want pay am na 50-something million naira. Say now. They need to come to the company, they go sign the paper, they go pay am in into the account when they want make they pay am in. That woman come out. This woman just hear, this woman just shout. He go wrong, go tell the husband, say, oh, see, oh. Now they come meet am for inside room. They say, see what they talk, oh, say the money now, the entitlement now 50-something million naira at that 10 years ago. He come say no. They come dey say, by the way, where all the property, where all the houses, where all the documents? Say come say no where your husband keep documents. He no know where your husband keep documents. And besides, your husband just there now. He still dey inside room. Una say make he dey inside room dey mourn husband. Una dey come ask for documents. Na inside room wey he dey mourn husband, he go take give una the documents. They just want make they collect all the documents, make they just finish that woman for inside that room so that chapter close. But thank God for sense. You must say if he even release everything give them, now be say no will come out for that room again. Because now poor home if you come out, if you come, you not get person wey go fight for am. He say because they say no know anything about house for anywhere. He don't know anything about documents. Say they come say okay, what about this money? He say because he not still know until they go bank and go the company before he go know anything about this money. Now maths in the year about this 50-something million naira. He said they come say okay. Before they come say okay, make she come out for the mommy, where she for the mom and husband, make she come out for there. She can't go their house, go stay for their house. The senior brother can't go the company. As he reach the company, because say he want take the entitlement. Now the company they can't go share list. They can't talk say not be name they for there, so not be name be next of key. Say so they not go give her that entitlement. Now he can't come out. Now he come meet this our sister. He said the entitlement. He said they say no be name dey. Say na she na go change the name. Say because na im name na im dey there before. Maybe the time when this man never marry, maybe he put his senior brother name. Because this our sister say after they marry, now he come tell am say he wan write him name for somewhere. Say he come say why you write my name for somewhere? Say na pikin name you supposed to write. Wait make we born. If we don born, you go write the pikin name for there. He say he come say no, he go write her name, he go write the pikin name. Say you wan go dey write pikin name wey you never born. He say na so he come tell the husband that time. They no come discuss go that side again. He no know say the man go write her name put for next of key. He come see write the pikin name join for next of key for that entitlement. She no know. Now when the brother come meet and say he don't go there, say na him name dey there before. As he reach there now, they say not be name. They say not be the name. They wish me na your name na him dey there. Say cause say he no know. Say surprise say your husband go change her without he not tell herself. Say cause say okay. What say you can say make we do now? Say can say make she go there. Make she go collect the money, make he bring the money, come give the family. Because say, how you go carry this money give family? This man get children. This man get wife. You go just go there, go carry entitlement money, give family. He not go do that one. Now they come, they argue the money. Now they come say, okay, make they call meeting put. They come call meeting put for family house. All of them come go there. He say as they reach there, now the man come say, this man, he get family. So all this money, they need to bring am and the houses. Say he need to bring all these things because the man get family. Then consider they say the man still get children and wife now. So they come say how they want to share the property now. So he said they come they talk. Now he come say only wetin he go talk. The money wey dey for inside since na 50-something million, make they share am into three. She wey be the wife go take one part. The children, because they still small. The second one are just baby. The first one are 6 years. So the children will take one part. Then the family will take one part. No, the family can't say they not agree like that. They can't say la. They say they not agree. They not go share into 3 parts. So they not agree. So that the Okaik bed, that is the overall senior for the family, can't say what if they go do? They not share anything for now. But make the woman, make the senior brother and this our sister, so make the open joint account. If they open joint account, then she will go the company, she will carry all the money put for that joint account. So anytime the woman want withdraw money for account, the man must know, and he go tell her what he want use the money to. That's so they want do her now. Now she come say okay, she come agree. Now so they come say end the matter that day. So for her, she agree, put say okay, if na so they talk am, no problem. And they come comot. You see as they go, they come dey bus stop. They want take bus. One old man sit down for the bus stop. He pikin come dey point out for am. Small pikin oh, that same pikin, 6 years. He just dey point out for am. He say, mommy, people wey no like you wan go follow the open joint account. You wan go follow the open joint account. This joint account, go open am here. If you open this joint account with this man, after you don open the joint account, you don put all the money for inside that account, they go kill you. And if they kill you, they go collect all the money and all the property. You wan go follow person wey no like you, open joint account. You see na so the 6 years old boy dey point am. Now you come say, come, wetin dey do you? Na me you dey point out for your mama. Now you dey talk to dey point out for like this. Wetin dey do you? He say, now the old man wey sit down for there come say, madam, this pikin wey dey talk to you so, not be this pikin dey talk to you oh. Na something enter inside this pikin. Spirit enter inside this pikin. Now dey talk to you so. I listen to everything wey this pikin tell you. Take wetin this pikin tell you. If you no take am, you will be sorry. He said, na so the old man come tell am. Now he come say, he said, na there he come remember. He come say, na truth oh. Person, because if you want to open joint account with somebody, there must be love. Open joint account for this kind kore. Because say, wetin you go come do now? Let the pikin come down and say, wetin you go do? That to come out for this state. He say so. Now they come go house. He say as they come reach house, he come dey take am. And na the next day, na they want go open the joint account before she will go the company say he don open joint account, make they transfer the money put for there. That night he just dey sleep. He just see his husband just come. His husband say, yeah, ready. Oh yeah, man, ready. Una wan travel, man, ready. He say na so they come ready. They come dey pack their things. He come park car put for outside. He come say, yeah, man, enter inside the car. He say he come do like this. He be like a mirror or television. He say, see am. Now this place now they go. He say now white people now you see for there. Now they now go now. Oh yeah, man, enter. He say so they come enter inside car. They come carry their loads enter inside. He come say, oh yeah, enter. May you drive now. He come say no. He not go enter the inside this car with you now, and he not go drive. He want sit down on top of the bonnet of the car. Now he want sit down. He say now he can't wake up. He come say, which kind of dream be this? When you go sit down on top of bonnet, he not sit down for inside car. That dream means say he wants to sit down on top of bonnet. He go dey look road, dey clear roads. That be the meaning of the dream. And he want me they come out for that country, because if they not come out, they feel say all these people when they payment people, me they come payment all of them for inside house. Chapter close. He say so when they come break, he not come go back. Hey, now they wahala come start. He be like say they put petrol for inside fire. Now the family say, you know what, wetin the family talk. You want to scatter wetin family talk. Family don't decide, they don't talk. You don't want to open the joint account, this and this, that and that. He say as they just the wire am for phone, they just off phone. So it take pack come up for their house when the husband buy for Abuja, come go rent house, come go stay for another place with the children. He come dey frustrate. Say, which kind of wahala be this? He say, where for the job one day. Then one man come meet and say, come, you no go travel. You like to travel. Say, come say, he like to travel. Say, come say, go help him with visa. He said, the man not collect any money for him though. Now so they just say go American embassy. And see you go with the children, you submit this thing. They just they play with the children. Oh, find children. Oh, this. Oh, that. Before you notice the apple, they don't give you the children visa. He said never expect the visa so soon. Because he never ever prepare where he want go, or who he want go meet for America. At least you need to get person where will come receive you now. You don't know anybody. How you want to go? He said also you can't buy ticket to. Inside flight, now you can't see somebody, come make the person understand. Say, he just dey inside here, he don't know where they go. Now the person come tell us, okay, see the area where they stay. You first go stay hotel. May talk to his family first. And so the man reach out, he tell to his wife, say, see, one woman with 2 children, when you see for inside flight too, they don't get where they go. See how they take run come up for us, so but they dey hotel now. Then the wife come follow and go the hotel. They can't accept them, and so they can't take help them when they can't take day where they dey now. dey live fine now for where they dey. The woman come dey work. This is the woman wey be say no na your husband get money, he never work before, house get full everywhere. She come begin dey work for America, dey take care of the 2 children. Now the 2 children now they don grow. That one wey dey 6 years that time, e don be 16 years now. The small girl now, that one don still grow now. But the battle e no end. Now they worry them. You know say the house wey the husband buy for Abuja, she carry all the documents follow body come. So the family no see document say sell house. Wetin the man come dey do? He go the house, the tenant wey dey the house, he go dey say this house na him brother house, the wife kill the brother. If una see anywhere una see say they wan sell this house, una call this number because this house they no go sell am. Na him brother house, so na this way. Say na so they go every time to time. The tenant go dey call her, they tell am say na so this man they come, one man they come like this. Now the problem, wetin make this our sister bring this matter come now, and where she wants make una shook una mouth put, and una help her for prayer. Be say this is son now wey dey 16 years. If he be 18, he go fit go by himself go collect her. Now wetin the company people come talk now, and the family don already know this thing. So they try to popo this boy, to worry this boy, to make sure say this boy no fit go collect am, or I don't know wetin be their plan. Every time they come attack this boy, and this boy now, you know say he don say when he small, when he don dey see they come, he dey see all of them. He no know them again, but he dey see all of them. He see they tell him mama, he go say mama see. He go describe them finish. He go describe them finish. Say na so this one do this one, so person like this, so person like that. Na so now they disturb this boy. They will allow this boy go collect that entitlement. They will allow this boy reach 18 years because the attack now for this small pikin, it don't too much. They cook, they throw for this boy. Now this boy now, then they come face, and the papa say they appear to Ramo. It still dey appear to am. You know why? Because him mama never follow another man. Anything wey make this man, him mama follow another man, the bless say the papa will give way, the spirit go give way, or no message no they come like that again. Now they don dey lecture their own children for that property wey be say no be they get am. They lecture their children say this property na their brother own, their brother wife na kill the man, and no get right again for the property. They don dey lecture their own children wey don see they grow up, they come. When I see say the fight self, he go get as a be, he go finish. And they no want make this boy grow old to 18 years to go collect that entitlement. That's why they worry am. They worry am. So this woman come now say, abeg, make una join. I know say prayer warriors they watch this channel. I know say if I bring matter come this channel, una they pray for the person without say una no even call me, without say una, I know say una they pray, but no be me go reward una. Now God Almighty na go reward una, because as you they pray for somebody, they support somebody in your prayers. Now so God go still say your mind clean, he go still support you in anything that you are doing. So my brothers and sisters, when you come across this video, I beg you to share this video so that people will learn from this side. And again, support this our sister with prayers. She did our Telegram group. We go see support her with prayers. And please leave your comments down there. If there is anything when you say she go fit do before the pikin go reach 18 years, stay go Nigeria, one go collect that entitlement, because they say stone wey person see, e no dey blind eye. If you see say something dey come like this, you use am follow am, you go know wetin you go do, you no go regret am. So that's why this our sister bring this matter come say before that 18 years when pikin go Nigeria, because that kind huge amount of money no be wetin person go throw away like that too. They no fit just throw away that kind thing like that. Na inheritance. You no fit throw away inheritance. So now wetin you need to go collect. So if you get any advice or anything wey you know say dem fit do before when this our brother, little brother, go be 18 years, abeg leave your comments down there. Thank you so much for your support. Please, I beg you, if you have not hit that red button, use the opportunity to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you go dey get more of our videos. We are not here to say a story. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life. And I thank you all for all your support. As you have been supporting this channel by praying for the people wey need prayer, by giving advice for the people wey need advice, and by sharing this video too. Almighty God is going to send somebody that will support you in everything that you are doing. I really appreciate you guys so much. This is true life story. True life story. Any story I talk here, I don't go anywhere, go take am. Na person na get the story. Na true life story. We go dey learn from inside. That's why they bring all this story they come, and I see they thank people when they bring their story they come, so that people go they learn from inside and go they shook their mouth put inside for the comment section. I thank you so much, my lovely people. Thank you for your support. Almighty God will bless you. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. Bright life, true dreams. Thank you. God bless you. Please, if you have not hit that like button, still use this opportunity to put that like button so that anything you do in your life, up ever for you, backwards never for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady